I think the beauty of this house is that, as well as being a well-designed house that works for you or a family that might live here, is that the technology is actually very subtle, a lot of it. It just works quietly in the background, and external insulation doesn't shout at you, it just improves the thermal efficiency of the house.
Do you have a bit you'd like?
Well, my favourite bit's probably this bit, the triple glazed bay onto the courtyard. So I think it's a very light space and flexible on a nice summer day or evening to open up onto the courtyard here.
There are some surprises with living here. It's great to be able to sit here in the glazed bay and see the front door, for example. So if you're entertaining, somebody opening the front door, you can see in. And upstairs in the study has the similar bay, and from there through the void space, you can see the front door again from there.
I think on a similar note, I like the fact that the house feels very different on each level. So really, it feels quite sort of public and about entertaining on this level, and it gets more private as you go up. And your master floor feels very private, feels very indulgent. Maybe is not the right word, but it feels like a very luxurious kind of space that you want to spend time in.
Those imply things within design, part of one of the things I think we do very well.